Good morning students, myself Anam Kumar and it is my first video of this chapter 13, time and work, and since today it is the first class of this chapter, so we will today discuss about the introduction and the concept of the time and work. So let's move to the next slide. Now, so students, time and work. Time and work are always opposite to each other. It means we can say that time and work are reciprocal to each other also. Okay. So, according to that, what is the general rules? Let's see. Suppose A, if A is a person, so suppose A can finish a work in n days. Okay. So, if we have to write the opposite of it, if we will say how much work done by A, so we can say that work done by A in one day is equal to 1 by n part. 1 by n part of work will be done by A in one day. That is the work done. Opposite of it, same as. For an example, A can finish one piece of work in 8 days. So we can say work done by A in one day 1 by 8 part. Clearly? Now, suppose work done by B in one day is 1 by m given. This is the part. So if we have to convert it into time, then we can say time taken by B to finish the whole work, that will be opposite of 1 by m, it means reciprocal of 1 by m, that is m days. So this is the concept of time and work. Simple. Okay. So now students, for an example, work done by B in one day 1 by 12. So the time taken by B to finish the whole work, it will be 12 days. So this is the only concept in this chapter here. Now let's solve some questions. Question 1. Ravi can do a piece of work in 12 days while Sasi can do it in 18 days. So in how many days can they complete the whole work if they work together? And one more thing dear, if time is given, then we will never we will add the time. We can add the work done. Okay. So now at first what is given? Given that time taken by Ravi to do the whole work 12 days and time taken by Sasi to do the whole work 18 days. Okay, so we will not add both the time. No, at first we will convert this time into the work done. It means we can say that work done by Ravi in one day is equal to 1 by 12 part and work done by Sasi in one day is equal to 1 by 18. Now we have to add both the work. Okay, so we can say that work done by both in one day 1 by 12 plus 1 by 18 and the LCM of 12 and 18 36. 12 3 ja and 3 1 ja 3, 18 2 ja and 2 1 ja 2. So it will be 5 by 36. That is the work done by both in one day. Okay. Now if we will write the reciprocal of it, so that will be the time taken by both in to complete the whole work. So we can say hence time taken by both to finish the whole work 36 by 5 days. You can also convert it into mixed fraction. So it will be 7 1 by 5 days. Okay. So I hope that you all have understood everyone. Now let's move to the next question. Question number 2. Riya and Sita can do a work together in 6 hours. This is the work time taken by both. But if Riya can do this work alone in 15 hours, then how much time Sita can do it alone? So let's see what is given first. Time taken by both to do the whole work 6 hours and the time taken by only Riya to do the whole work 15 hours. So it's clearly that if both will done this work, then 6 hours it has taken, but Riya is only taking 15 hours. So if we will subtract, but we will not subtract time, we have to subtract the work done. So again at first convert the work. So work done by both in 1 hour, 1 by 6 part, and work done by Riya in 1 hour, 1 by 15 part. So now we can say work done by Sita in 1 hour. It will be 1 by 6 minus 1 by 15 LCM. It will be 36 5 ja 5 1 ja 5, 15 2 ja 2 1 ja 2. It means 3 by 30, that is 1 by 10. Now we can reverse, then we will get the time taken by Sita alone to complete this work. It will be 1 by 10 of reciprocal 10 hours. So in 10 hours Sita can complete the whole work. I hope that you all have understood everyone. Now question number 3. Here you can see that A, B and C can finish a work in 30 days, 20 days and 60 days respectively. It means work time taken by A 30 days, time taken by B 20 days, and time taken by C 60 days. Clearly? So we can write first time taken by A 30 days, time taken by B to finish the work 20 days, time taken by C to finish the whole work 60 days. Now we have to find how long will they take to finish it if they work together. So at first again we have to add. So we have to add, it means we have to add the work again. So now let's convert. So work done by A in 1 day, 1 by 30 part. One work done by B, 1 by 20 part. Work done by C, 1 by 60 part. So now add all together. So now in next slide we can say that again work done by A plus B plus C together in 1 day, 1 by 30 plus 1 by 20 plus 1 by 60. LCM will be 60. So 32 ja 2 1 ja 2, 23 ja 3 1 ja 3, 61 ja 1 1 ja 1, 2 3 5 1 6 by 60. It means 1 by 10. So now write the reciprocal of it. So hence the time taken by A plus B plus C together to finish the whole work will be 10 days. So I hope that you all have understood this also. So now students, you have to do some assignment work at your home in RS Agrawal book. You have to complete exercise 13A, question number 1 to 5, and you have to revise the concept. Okay students? So thank you.